The Infectious module built into our iClean app system is one of the most powerful tools that we have, especially during these days where we need to be very, very sure when we are supposed to and not supposed to do infectious cleaning. It can be done at the operator interface, at the trolley, or it can be done within the clinical team within the actual facility itself.
Infectious cleaning before COVID, we might have a gastroenteritis outbreak. It may affect 4 or 5 rooms. It might affect a small area, or we might get the flu within a home that might affect a wing. Very rarely would you have something that would affect the entire home. COVID could do that, and it really meant we had to have in place systems and processes and products that could kill it quickly.
The reporting tool really helps us out is with managing situations like COVID. So if we have a patient who becomes COVID positive, we can quickly refer back to the tool and check if we've used the correct PPE, who the cleaner was, and just quickly relay all that information so we ensure it's a safe environment.
The features I mostly like on the app is especially when you're cleaning an infectious room, it always reminds you on what gowns to put on. You have to put on your gloves, you have to put on your goggles and the protection things that to have on.
The app actually tells them when they need to be doing the infectious clean, how to do it, the PPE they need, everything that they need is within the app to manage and monitor the outcomes of the infectious clean.